What's up, guys, and welcome back to Hook Up Entertainment. So, Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi, the Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department, who was accused, by General Mkhwanazi, of so many things, and also fitting blue lights in the vehicle of Vusumuzi Matlala. So, he was interviewed by SABC News, and he denied all those allegations, etc. But going back into the archives, there is this report that I saw from Crime in SA, and they reported this story on 20 October 2023. So that's 2 years ago, and nobody took this seriously, when it was reported. So what was reported back in 2023 was that Julius Mkhwanazi was suspended, by the municipality for abuse of his position of authority. The reason why he was suspended, it was because he was abusing the resources of the city in subordination. And it was alleged that Julius Mkhwanazi had handed blue lights to his friends. So this was the allegation back in 2023, and he was suspended by the Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department. But he was then brought back. Nobody knows why. So as you can see, this is the Julius Mkhwanazi who is being talked about, etc., etc. So the big one again in another reply by Crime in SA, they are also saying Julius Mkhwanazi drafted documents giving Pretoria Security Company CAT VIP protection. I mean, if you know CAT VIP protection, this is the company that is owned by Vusumuzi Matlala. CAT VIP, this is it. So it is said here, this allegation in 2023, that he gave CAT VIP permission to use blue light vehicles from the council, and the investigation into those allegations was abandoned for no apparent reason. Completely unbelievable. So this is what happened in 2023. So connecting this report from back in 2023 to the allegations made by General Mkhwanazi this year in 2025, I mean, you can see that this guy, Julius Mkhwanazi, must definitely have handed the blue lights to Vusumuzi Matlala, because back in 2023, nobody knew about Vusumuzi Matlala in this CAT VIP protection. He became popular after Mkhwanazi made that media briefing this year. So there is definitely smoke to this report by Crime in SA, which was made back in 2023. There is definitely something to it. And I once saw News 24 and 10's live, they were saying General Mkhwanazi has no evidence, etc., etc. I mean, this is evidence right here. I mean, because you can connect the dots, Julius Mkhwanazi gave the blue lights to Vusumuzi Matlala. Vusumuzi Matlala has links to Shadrack Sibiya. They have the phone records, from his cell phone that was taken while he still was in prison. I mean, what more do you want? Like, what more evidence do you want? A report in 2023. I mean, it's not like somebody had something against Vusumuzi Matlala and trying to tarnish his name, etc., etc. But this is it, Julius Mkhwanazi, I don't know how he is going to come out of this one. But anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next one.